Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain what are the ethics in business, and I'm going to give some examples to understand what are the right things and the wrong things. Okay, well, and then I want to explain some topics to understand what are the ethics in business. The first topic is what are the business ethics? The business ethics are the moral principles that guide the way of the business behaviors, distinguishing between the right and the right things and the wrong things. For example, right things is paying the taxes to the government because the company is paying the taxes contributing to create some new schools, some new hospitals, or to solving some social problems that the country have. Okay, to understand, the second topic is the stakeholders. To understand what are the stakeholders, we have to understand that they are the group of they are the group of people that is affected by the company's activity. In that group of people, we can find the boss, we can find the staff, we can find the customers, we can find to the shareholders, and all the people that is including to the activities of the company is the people that is included to the stakeholders. Okay, the company have the responsibility to support the social sectors like the education and health, because the company have to be a help to the government to solve those social problems that they have. Well, what are the effects of acting ethically? First, we have two kinds of business activities that the ethically comprehends that those activities doesn't do the right things. For example, in the first activity is the financial activity, and this kind of activity increase the cost of the equipment and the labor. And the second activity is the non-financial activity. This activity includes noise and impact of the environment. That means that the environment will be affected and will be affected for those kind of activities. Well, what are the benefits of acting with ethically? With ethic, the first benefit is working without fatal accidents. In this topic include the staff and the people who do the manufacturing of the company. The second benefit is eliminating occupational disease. The third benefit is increasing diversity in the workplace. The fourth benefit is increasing the benefits of the meaning for local communities. This is important to highlight this topic because this topic includes the social problems and the society that where the company is working. The other topic is increase energy efficiency, and the last topic is helps with its position on the stock market. Well, it's important to highlight that the Anglo-American thinks that the shareholders returns to the social environment. uh, we we have responsibility, and we have a mind to care the environment, and to care the social impacts that the company can can good have in the future. Well, to conclude the topic, I want to say that it's a good idea in the governance to have some companies that supports the social problems. Thanks for watching, and remember that it's important acting ethically.